Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to chemistry series of class 9th. Today we will discuss the unit 4 periodic table and periodicity of properties. And today's lecture includes MCQs and question number 2, which is basically which has a few short questions. We will not just memorize the answers of the MCQs, but we will learn the logic and reasoning behind each question as well. So let's begin. Question MCQs number 1 is number of periods in the periodic table are. एक periodic table में कितने periods होते हैं? The correct answer is 7. How? The periodic table is arranged in rows called periods. If you count them, there are 7 horizontal periods. For example, period 1 has hydrogen and helium, period 2 has lithium and 2 neon, and so on till period 7, which include FR, RA and even artificial element. So the correct answer is 7. Question number MCQ number 2 is which of the following groups contain alkaline earth metals? The correct answer is group 2A. How? Group 1A contains alkali metals like sodium, potassium, lithium. Group 2A contains alkaline earth metal like magnesium, calcium, barium and radium, etc. These are called so because their oxides and oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature and found in the earth crust. इनको alkaline earth metal इसलिए कहा जाता है because they are alkaline in nature and they found in earth's crust. So group 2 is correct. Next is which of the following elements belong to group 8A? The correct answer is xenon. Why? Group 8A is the noble gases group. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and they are very stable and unreactive because their outermost shell is complete. Among the given option, the xenon belongs to 8A, which is noble gas. Question number 4 is main group elements are arranged in blank groups. Main group elements को कितने groups में arrange किया गया है? The correct answer is A. Main group elements are representative elements S and P block elements. They are arranged in 8 groups 1, 8 to 8A. These include alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, noble gases, etc. Next, uh, question number 4 is question number 5 is period number of aluminium is the correct answer is 3. How it is 3? Because aluminium has atomic number 13. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. The highest shell number here is 3, which that means aluminium belongs to period 3. So the correct answer is 3. Question number 6 is valence shell electronic configuration of an element M which has atomic number 14 is. The correct answer is 3s2, 3p2. How? Silicon is the atom which has atomic number 14. If we discuss its electronic configuration, that will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p2. Valence shell is the outermost shell. So here it is shell number 3 and with 3s2 and 3p2. So the correct option is D. Which of the following elements you expect to have greater shielding effect? It is rubidium, Rb. Why? Shielding effect is the ability of inner electrons to block near attraction for outer electrons. As we go down the group, number of shells increases. Shielding effect increases. Rubidium is the bottom, group 1A period number and it has period number 5, so it has maximum shielding effect. Okay. Next is as you move from right to left across a period, which of the following does not increase? जब हम right to left move करते हैं across the period, क्या increase नहीं होता? It is shielding effect. Across period left to right, nuclear charges increases, ionization energy increases, electron affinity increases because shielding effects remains almost the same, because number of inner shells does not change across a period. So shielding effect will be constant क्योंकि number of shells are not increasing or decreasing. ठीक है. So the correct answer is shielding effect. All the elements of group 2A are less reactive than alkali metals. This is because these elements have high ionization energy. How? Group 2A alkaline earth metals have two valence electrons. To react, they need to lose two electrons. This requires more energy compared to alkali metals that lose only one electron. Thus, alkaline metals are less reactive because of their higher ionization energy. Okay, question number 2, which is a short question. Part 1 is write the valence shell electronic configuration of an element present in the third period and group 3A. उसका period with third और group भी 3A है. The element present in group third period and group 3A, which is aluminium. सही है. It has atomic number 13 and electronic configuration, अगर हम electronic configuration करें तो it will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1. यहाँ से हमें नजर आ रहा है कि वो थर्ड पीरियड में है. Valence shell electronic configuration is 3s2 and 3p1. Okay, next is define halogens. Halogens are the elements of group 7A, which is 17 of the periodic table. They include fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. Definition: halogens are non-metallic elements that have 7 electrons in their valence shell and are highly reactive, especially with metals, to form salts. The word halogen means salt former, salt बनाते हैं. Part 3 is which atom has higher shielding effect, lithium or sodium? The shielding effect is the reduction in effective nuclear attraction on the valence electron due to repulsion from inner shell electrons. Basically जो force of attraction between from nucleus to valence shell होती है, उसकी reduction क्यों होती है? क्योंकि inner shells repulse करते हैं. जितने ज़्यादा inner shells होंगे उतना shielding effect increase होगी. Lithium has valence electrons कितने? 3 electronic configuration. It has 2 shells and only 2 inner electrons, providing shielding. So sodium has 11 number of electrons. So electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. It has 3 shells and 10 inner electrons that strongly shield the outermost 3s1 electron. Therefore, sodium has much greater shielding effect than lithium because it has more inner shells and electrons to block the nucleus pull on the valence electron. Okay, part 4 is explain why sodium has higher ionization energy than potassium. Ionization energy is the energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an atom. Sodium has 11 electrons. So electronic configuration is given. Valence electron is in third shell and potassium has 19 electron and its valence shell lies in fourth shell and which is more further from the nucleus. So if we do comparison, in potassium the outer electron is farther away and more shielded by inner shell, so it experiences less effective nuclear attraction. In sodium the outer electron is closer to the nucleus and less shielded, so it experiences stronger nuclear attraction. Therefore, sodium requires more energy to remove its outer electron than potassium, means sodium has higher ionization energy than potassium. Part 5. Alkali metals belong to S block in the periodic table. Why? Alkali metals belong to S block because they have valence shell configuration. Because of their valence shell configuration, all alkali metals have their outermost electron in S orbital and it has general configuration NS1. ठीक है? Block definition. In periodic table, elements are classified into blocks S, P, D, F according to the type of orbital being filled last. Since the last electron of alkali metals enter the s orbital, they are placed in s block. Alkali metals belongs to s block because their outermost electrons enter the s orbital. If we are concerned about the general configuration of these metals. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the concepts which we have discussed today. um, if you get any information from this video, then like it, comment down, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. We will discuss a long question for the long question think section, think tank question in next videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.